In 2026, making money with AI isn't about coding. It's about packaging knowledge and selling solutions. If you can communicate, organize, and think strategically, you're already in the game. Here are real ways people are earning with AI and where they're selling these skills. First, AI content services. Businesses need captions, emails, blog posts, ads, and scripts. AI tools do the heavy lifting. You refine and deliver. Where to sell? Upwork, Fiverr, People Per Hour, LinkedIn, and direct outreach to small businesses. Many freelancers earn monthly retainers from just 2 or 3 clients. Dankore Software is dedicated to keeping you up to date on everything related to digital solutions, tech, and AI. Second, AI social media management. You use AI to plan content calendars, write posts, and track engagement. Brands want results, not excuses. Where to sell? Instagram DMs, LinkedIn services, Twitter, and freelancer platforms. Agencies also outsource this role constantly. This is one of the easiest entries for beginners. Third, AI-powered virtual assistants. AI makes virtual assistants faster and more valuable. You manage emails, research, scheduling, and customer communication efficiently. Where to sell? Upwork, Freelancer, OnlineJobs.ph, remote job boards, and private referrals. Dankore Software helps position candidates for global remote clients. Fourth, selling digital products with AI. Ebooks, planners, templates, guides, and workbooks created faster with AI. Where to sell? Gumroad, Etsy, Payhip, Sellar, Shopify, and personal websites. Create once, sell repeatedly. Fifth, AI prompt and workflow services. Businesses don't know how to talk to AI properly. You design prompts and simple AI workflows for them. Where to sell? LinkedIn, consulting platforms, freelance marketplaces, and direct B2B outreach. This is becoming a premium service in 2026. Final truth, AI won't replace you, but someone who knows how to sell AI-powered solutions will. The tools are ready, the platforms are open. The only question is, are you? Our Dankore software team is always here to assist you with all your digital problems. Just send us a DM and we will take it from there.